joining our Wagemaster tutorials. Today we are going through how to process annual leaves in Wagemaster. Let's jump right in. I already opened my Wagemaster program, as you can see. So I'm in the pay period ending of 31st January for this example. So first thing, you just need to record this annual leave. So I only got one full-time employee in this test file. So put John. So just click on to leave. Click on annual. So in here under accruals on top right, bottom top right corner, so this employee accrued 574 hours and 9 minutes of annual leave. Now we're just gonna record some leave. So first thing, you just need to check whether accruals, all the past leaves that you process in the program will be undertaken. And if you want to plan before you processing the wages, you just need to plan or add leaves in here under plan. So I'm gonna add one. So the date requested, you can leave the date as whatever the date that you're gonna process this. So what date's gonna be this employee will be on leave. So I will select from say 18 to 31st. Now I just need to change the status to approved. Date from 18 to 31st, date approved, date, okay, hours to be paid, say 38 hours, and which pay period ending you want to pay this leave. So I will select as 31st, so same as the current pay period ending date. Sorry. So just click on 38 hours in there. So now it's under plan, and close this. Now if you go into wages and click on wages, click on program. Okay, it says no timesheet were loaded from the predefined timesheet. Possible reason for either employees on leave or employee predefined sheet timesheet is not on. So it's pretty much giving you the information saying because this employee's salary and he does not have any leaves to process. So it could be one of these three reasons. So if you acknowledge this message pressing OK, so it won't import any salaried hours here. But if you go into next, you can see leave as an annual, so 38 hours. So if I go into next screen to check the pay slip, okay, it says salary is 0. So it should be the annual leave on 38 hours for 36 hours per hour, and the superannuation and the tax and the net amount. So the net amount is 0 because this employee got salary sacrifice because it's a test file. That's how we set it up. So all his salary is going into salary sacrifice for superannuation, which is not the real scenario for the employee, but you will get the idea. Once you add the planned leave, there should be separate line for the leave. Now if you want to process leave while you're processing wages, that's where you can do. So you don't need to go into the employee or planned leave. You can add leave in here under adjustment. So you can say put whatever that was that employee worked already in the pay period. Then you go on to next and add rest of the leave in here. So you can add option, select what kind of leave the employee or you want to process, what date, how many hours you want to process. Okay, thank you everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consulting and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel and give this video a like if you are enjoying it. Thank you. Have a great day.